Back with us here at the Phil Sports Arena, ladies and gentlemen. 8-5 in favor of Bingo Millionario here in set number 2. Noel Zarate alongside Noreen Go and Ricky Flores. This is the Philippine Superliga right here on Solar Sport. Roxanne Pimentel is blocked by Laborte, who immediately apologizes for a former teammate in the national team.
Well, you know, there's a mutual respect for both teams. And normally, if Mick does that to someone, you know, the stare down. But kay Roxanne, parang, sorry.
No. Not Roxanne. Here is Maizo. Nice. Aiza Maizo putting that one away.
Well, the Bingo Millionario block getting sloppy there.
That was just over the head of Cher Peñano. Maizo now on the serve. Here's Chisait now. 2 targets there, and it looks like it's going to be a net violation against Mick Laborte.
And she's funny. She was pointing to Tabaquero. You saw that?
I'm telling you, she's never touched the net in her life. She's never committed a check ball in her entire life.
And then she'll just smile it off.
Yeah. Maizo once again, down 2. Saet going to Gumabaw. Gumabaw over the defense. Pimentel, Tabaquero. And Tabaquero misses again.
You can feel for Tabaquero, you know, the frustration.
Right. And the smile is back. She's probably wondering, what the heck am I doing?
What's going on?
Yeah. 10-7 Bingo Millionario. Laborte, what a serve. Di Maculangan has to attack, but Michelle Gumabaw is just too tall.
And too quick.
Yep. 11-7. 4-point lead now for the Puffins.
But again, you know, if you're Petron, you have to realize that you started out with a 3-0 lead.
Yep.
So you just have to focus.
Uh-oh. Roxanne Pimentel with a runner. Haven't seen that one in a while. We go to Tabaquero. Cross court, Peñano. Gumabaw now. Chisait will attack. Gohing. Here's the running attack. Pimentel. Here is Saet now. Mike Camorada with the spring. Gohing keeping it alive again. They go to Angge. Angge with a push. Saet now. Morada. Gohing is there again. The ninja is striking everywhere.
That's right. She's back.
Oh, wow. Michelle Gumabaw off the hands of Aiza Maizo. But the ninja keeping 3 plays alive for Petron.
That could be what Petron needs, you know, that spark plug, the one's going to dig every ball as much as possible.
Michelle Gumabaw, or make that Melissa Gohing, has been a spark plug her entire career. Laborte, Caballero on the reception. Di Maculangan now, going to Angge Tabaquero. Cross court, this time shaming the great Cher Peñano.
Well, in that play, she was able to get that lift that she wanted to and that snap of the wrist.
Right. We're going to have a substitution here, and you can tell by the cheers of the fans that it's one of the crowd favorites. Phil Cainglet will see her first action replacing Judy Caballero. So let's see if Cainglet can provide the instant offense Coach Villette is looking for Petron. They are down by 4. Side underhands it to Michelle Gumabaw, kept alive there by Tabaquero. Cainglet gets to it. Tabaquero with the free ball. Here's Saet now. Gumabaw is blocked by Di Maculangan.
You know, it's really nice to see all these old players get to play again. I'm talking about Roxanne Pimentel and...
You're calling them old.
She's my batch. No, she's younger pa than me by a bit. But
oh, younger pa pala siya.
Konti lang.
Here's Tabaquero. Peñano. Saet. Across. Gumabaw. Oh, wow. Cross-court attack. Great dig by Cainglet. Now she has to go offense. And Cainglet drops it in.
And you know, we've got the fans right now.
Yep. Petron is down by only 2. But gets her first point today off the bench again. Tabaquero. Fielded by Peñano. Saet running attack. Oh! Cainglet snuffing out Morada. Here's Gumabaw now. Dug up by Tabaquero. Kept alive here. Gohing gets it across. Morada. Saet, back to Morada. Kept alive by Aiza Maizo with the right hand that time. Pimentel gives up the free ball. Saet attacking!
She's just so smart. She saw it.
And Melissa Gohing is going to need a massage for this game. Look at serves. Here's Di Maculangan now going to Phil Cainglet off the block. Fielded there by Mercado. Gumabaw gives up a free ball. Cainglet, Di Maculangan, Roxanne Pimentel.
Roxanne Pimentel of old. Showing the young gun.
You're saying the word old again.
Okay, she's not old.
The veteran.
The veteran.
Yep.
No, of old.
Of old, all right. Of course, a stalwart in the national team, if I may add. Roxanne Pimentel, formerly of UST. Here's Gumabaw, blocked by Cainglet.
Wow, Cainglet has been playing the spark plug together with Gohing.
And with that block by Phil Cainglet, she has just avenged their loss in the UAAP. 13-12. 1 point lead na lamang para dito sa Bingo Milyonaryo. Here's Saet now. Going over to Penetrante. Blocked there by Ortiz. One more time around. Gumabaw. Blocked again by Ortiz. Petron now starting to play inspired volleyball here in the second set.
That's right, and it's a good sign for Petron because you have Ortiz back in front.
And it is Roxanne Pimentel serving. Here's Saet now. Penetrante. Di Maculangan. Cainglet. And Phil Cainglet just missing.
What a untimely error there.
She saw exactly where she wanted to go. Just overcooked it. Puffins up by 1 again.
But this is an interesting front row for Petron because you have the recent players in front. So if they can place.
Right. Oh, that one. But Micah has just been automatic with the running attack. So Ortiz now piling up the points. We are tied at 14.
That's a good set by Rhea Di Maculangan.
Rhea Di Maculangan serving once again. Gumabaw had a hard time getting there. Here's Mercado. Kept alive. Here's Ortiz. Gumabaw digs it. Peñano now going to Paneng Mercado. Gohing. Back set now. Aiza Maizo on the block. Cainglet keeps it alive. They go to Micah down the middle. Cainglet once again. This time they go to Maizo.
Oh, still alive.
Still alive. Oh. Late whistle by Philip Season. Or maybe he whistled, we just didn't hear.
Yeah, we didn't hear.
So 1 point lead anew for Bingo Milyonaryo.
You got to give it to the defense of Bingo Milyonaryo. That was an onslaught, by Petron, but the defense just stood its ground.
And that's exactly what they did in that win against Signal HD. Cainglet down the middle. Single blocking there by Miklik Laborte. Running attack again. This time, naabangan si Micah. Cainglet has to give it up. Ortiz. Gumabaw now. Mercado. There by Aiza Maizo. Paneng one more time. Blocked again by the net this time. Tied at 15. Close second set.
Actually, the quality of the rallies right now has improved so much since the first set.
Now Phil Cainglet serving for the first time. It's nice to see Phil Cainglet and Melissa Gohing share the floor for the first time in 5 years. And again, Tabaquero getting it done. We'll tell you about the story of Melissa Gohing and Phil Cainglet when we return.